Good morning, friends. I'm up in Sonoma, California, visiting family, and I picked up some plants here to put all together in pots, separately of course, but you have some interesting colors and textures here, such as this lemon cypress. If you rub it, has a nice smell to it. Also a coleonema, which also, if you rub the leaves, has a nice little fragrance. But I'm going to group these together and see what I can do with them. And see where we go from here, okay? I'll show you the pots too. Okay, part two of these plantings. So what I did was I arranged them according to colors and shapes. Just let me review these with you. This one here that you're looking at is just going to be all together, different colors, shapes, but they do complement each other in the sense of they're going to spill over this particular container, which I'll show you in a minute. This grouping, the coleonema and the Lysimachia, are going to go together, and I put these together because of the contrasting colors. This Lysimachia is going to drape over the edge of the pot. This will come up more upright. Then I put these groupings together, the lemon cypress, the orange color oxalis, and this is a bacopa. Nice color contrast. Again, these here will spill over the edge. This will go more upright. This one grouping is slightly different. The bacopa has more of a lavender color as opposed to a pink. And having them in two side-by-side pots will look nice. And I'll show you the pots and the planted finished product in a few minutes. So here, friends, is after the fact, after planting these plants I mentioned to you earlier in the pot, and the combination of the lemon cypress, the bacopa, the purple, and then the oxalis, and how it looks together in the combination of these colors, and that looks pretty good. Then we come over here to the other one, which was the coleonema. And again, like the lemon cypress, if you touch the leaves, it has a nice fragrance. So the coleonema, pink flower, and then the Lysimachia, which will spill over the edge and look pretty nice in this pot. So that's the combination we have. And then over here, of course, is similar to the first one we just saw, and that's the lemon cypress, the bacopa, which is a pink one. The other one was more lavender, and then the oxalis. So the brightness really pops against the clay pot. Those will spill over, but the cypress will go straight up. Look kind of nice in a couple years. And finally, friends, here's the final pot where I put the other plants together, the flowers, in this hanging wicker basket. But you have the silver color dichondra, the nemesia, the dwarf poppies, the white bellis, and then some thyme. And all of that will just kind of spill over and hang down a foot or more in a few months. So it's a nice little color combination under this wonderful gazebo. And of course, all of this, the video that you just saw spliced together, was due to the compliments of Sonoma, California, the Addington family, my mother-in-law Charlotte and her brother Larry, and this is their home. And they allowed me to take these videos and put the plants in to beautify their home. And they have a gorgeous one. Great landscaping and a lot of work, of course. So thanks for tuning in. Bye.